Oh, it's fighting back hard. Oh yeah, starting to go now. Timber! Nice. We got lucky. That was the last of our quarters. Wow. It's doing good now. Oh yeah. Got like a third wave right there. Maybe a fourth. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, it's still paying out. I'm gonna grab the quarters, tally it up, and we'll be right back. Nice, we just made $6,495. We also got 2 of those 1-ounce gold bars, and 12 of the earbuds. It's doing awesome. Everything here on out's pure profit. We got a bunch of quarters too, so. Oh yeah, making it rain. Yes, 2 gold bars on the edge. Oh yeah.